Yes, everyone's eligible. Anyone who has a federal income tax payment due on April 15th, 2020 may defer their tax payments until 15th of July, 2020. Extensions on income tax returns are deferred to October 15th, 2020. Although tax payments have been deferred for July 15th, most filers still need to file an extension on time to avoid late penalties for October 15th deadline. The federal payment extensions should apply to most state taxes as well. There's good news for taxpayers who are required to file the FBAR or report of the foreign bank and financial accounts. If taxpayers miss the April 15th, 2020 deadline, they will automatically receive an extension to file their FBAR until October 15th, 2020. Normally, taxpayers are charged interest if they do not make their payments by the deadline. That's usually April 15th. Due to the unprecedented circumstances this year, most tax forms for individuals and entities are automatically extended to July 15th, 2020. Therefore, no interest is due on most tax payments made by extended deadline of July 15th, 2020. However, we highly encourage our clients to file the tax returns now to get timely refunds and have their processed payments. For businesses following a fiscal year, tax filing deadlines vary based on entity type. Partnerships and S corporations must file their taxes by the 15th day of the third month after their fiscal year ends. With the timely filed extension, the deadline is extended 6 months. For C corporations, taxes are due by the 15th day of the fourth month after fiscal year end. Extensions delay the deadline by 6 months. The tax-exempt organizations must file their taxes by the 15th of the fifth month after the fiscal year end, with extensions buying 3 additional months of time. Under the Coronavirus Aid, Relief and Economic Securities Act, which is the CARES Act, the US government has increased the amount of cash donations to public charities that both individuals and businesses can deduct on their 2020 income taxes. Now, individuals can deduct cash donations to public charities on their income taxes that total up to 100% of their adjusted gross income, that's the AGI. And corporations can deduct 25% of the AGI. Donations above this amount can be carried into the future years. Donations to private foundations also qualify for the deduction, although the limit is 60% of the AGI for individuals and 10% of the AGI for corporations. Donor advised funds do not qualify for the new public charity deduction limits. If the taxpayer do not itemize their deductions, they can take a $300 standard deduction for single or $600 for married couples. Donations made since January 1st of 2020 will count towards the 300 cap. Other 2019 tax payments are also extended to July 15th, 2020 deadline, including taxes on 2019 IRA distributions, estate and gift taxes, and certain excise taxes. You can make 2019 contributions to your IRA account through July 15th of this year, and refund filing claims for 2016s are also delayed to July 15th. The extension does not apply to payroll tax deposits or payments, but there may be an additional relief for the businesses to delay the employment taxes through CARES Act and the Family First Corona Response Act. Thank you for watching our video. Contact Chugh CPAs LLP today to learn more about the tax relief and saving options to you and your business. Send us an email at info@chugh.com to schedule a consultation.